All right, so we begin sitting or kneeling for Kapalabhati. Nice and slow, nice and steady. Here we go. Ready, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, and exhale all the air out and draw the head down towards the floor. Good, and roll up. Drop your shoulders down, lift the chest up. Good, and come on to hands and knees. Breathe in and lift your head up. And as you exhale, round the back into cat pose, just stretching the body out. Again, inhale, the tailbone lifts and you pull the shoulders away from the ears, extending the throat and the head up. And then as you exhale back, you go to cat pose. And again to cat lift, just stretching the body out nice and easy. And this time we go to down face dog. We'll stay in down dog and breathe. Feel free to keep the knees bent, not a long hold, but really feel it. Really feel down face dog. Good, and release. Down you go to child's pose. Relaxing the back of the neck, relaxing all the way down the arms. And getting in the habit of practicing gratitude when you're in child's pose. It's just a nice place to be, to say thank you for the bed that I'm about to go to sleep in. Good, and change. Shoulder stretch. Come forward onto your forearms. The right hand behind the left elbow. Stretch the left arm forward and drop your head down. Practicing yoga before bed, so good to get these long, slow exhale breaths to prepare the body for sleep. Long, slow exhale breaths. If you can get the exhale twice as long as the inhale, it's really good for calming the nervous system. Let's try the other side. Parallel the arms. Draw the left hand behind the right elbow. Stretch the right arm forward. And stay and breathe. Just a good, simple stretch, preparing to sleep. Long, slow, deep breaths. And release. Come onto your back in first release pose. The feet apart, the knees together, the arms wrap over the chest. Drop your head to the right side, and as you do, relax the whole side of the face, pouring out through the right ear. And roll the head to the other side and pour out through the left ear. No tension in the neck, dropping tension out of the body. And change. Come onto your back. Release the hands to the side for 4-part pelvic tilt. And inhale, tailbone to the floor and the belly lifts. Exhale, press the belly down, tucking the tail. Inhale, rolling up to bridge pose, lifting the hips. Exhale, rolling down one vertebra at a time. Again, inhale, tailbone to the floor, lifting the belly. Exhale, press the belly down, flat back. Inhale, lifting the hips up, way up. Now tucking the tail strongly as you lower down. Inhale, rock forward. Exhale, tuck the tail as you press your belly down. Now peel the spine off the floor as you breathe in, lifting the chest. And exhale, rolling down, down you go. Good. And change. Separate the feet wider. Nice and wide with the feet. Now your right knee is going to fall down into center. Extend your right arm back behind you and stay and breathe. Feeling this stretch of the quad, a little bit in the right hip flexor, the right low back. Change. Center the feet first. Feel if you're wide enough. So now the left knee comes down in center towards your right foot, towards your right ankle. Extend the left arm way back behind you. Reach and breathe. Slow, calm, deep, ujjayi breaths. And change. Hamstring stretch now on the right. Bend both knees, extend the right leg. Lift your head up and draw the right leg in. Now leave the right leg where it is and bring the head down. Leave the right leg where it is and extend the left leg out. Breathe. Release now to knee down twist. Fold the right knee over the body and find your way onto the left side. And roll the head back towards the right, extending through the right arm. Breathe. Good, and change. Coming onto the back. Hooking the right ankle on the left knee. Lifting the left foot. And the right hand between the legs. Meeting the left hand with the fingers interlaced on top of the knee and pull down. And release. Slide the legs out. Take a little break in shavasana and we'll do those same exercises on the left. Bending the knees, the right foot flat on the floor, extend the left leg up. Feel the whole body just loves to stretch and breathe. Lift your head and pull the leg in. Leave the left leg where it is and release the head down. Now leave the left leg exactly where it is and stretch the right leg way out. Even though it's a deep stretch, super calm, soft and even breath. Good, and change. Knee down twist. Fold the knee over. Onto the right side. And rolling back to look left. Extending the left arm. Dropping the weight of the body. Breathe. And change. Come onto your back. The left ankle is now on the right knee. The left hand will come between the legs, interlacing the fingers on top of the right knee. Pull down and in, pull down. Keep pulling in for one last breath, one good stretch as you breathe. To release. Shavasana. Short shavasana. Let the feet fall open. The hands on the belly warm. Cover yourself with a blanket. Letting go of Ujjayi breathing. No more effort in the breath. Resting now. The whole body resting. Relax the feet entirely and all the way up through the legs. Release. Now way inside the hips. Letting go. Now let that wave of relaxation drift all the way up through the body, through the torso, up to the shoulders. Release. And from the ends of the fingers to the palms and the wrists and the forearms and all the way up through the arms. Release. Relax the back of the neck, the front of the throat, the lips, the teeth, the gums, the roof and floor of the mouth. Release. Relax the back of the throat, the nasal cavities, and all the way down the nose. Release. Relax the cheekbones and way inside the eyes. Release. And now from the top of the head and through the whole body, one feeling. Release. Good, and when you come back from Shavasana, you know that you can come back and spend a little bit of time in meditation, and then you'll be able to go right back to bed. So let's come back now with one breath. Come back. Wiggle the fingers and the toes. Squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. And come back to a seated posture or kneeling. Feel the whole body completely alive, completely awake, and yet very calm, very soft. Stay and feel, listen. Good, drawing the hands to the heart. We close here with a bow. Namaste.